Hello friends, and I am happy to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove the restrictions on the minimum age in the Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to put your likes and write comments under this video. So let's get started. And please open up the Instagram app, of course. And then you'll need to go to your profile. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three bars and select Settings. Then in the Settings, select this option. And then you need to go to the minimum age option. And if you have the minimum age set here, then you can easily remove these restrictions. First of all, there is a general certain age of people who can view your profile. And if you want to remove such a restriction, just click here on Remove. In this way, you will remove such a restriction. If on the other hand you have age restriction on some specific country like I do, just click Remove opposite that side as well. So you'll remove all age restrictions on your Instagram page. And most importantly, don't forget at the end in the top right corner, click Done to save all the changes you've made to your Instagram. Friends, this is the quick and very easy way to remove the minimum age restrictions in Instagram app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.